The humble beginning. Long ago, in the ancient land of India, there was born a boy named Vishnu Gupta, later known as Chanakya. He was not a prince, not a warrior, but the son of a poor Brahmin. His childhood was simple yet full of curiosity. Even as a young boy, Chanakya was different. He asked questions that no one else dared to ask. Why should the wicked rule the good? Why should injustice go unpunished? His father, proud of his sharp intellect, sent him to the famous Takshashila University. At Takshashila, Chanakya's brilliance shone. He mastered politics, economics, warfare, and philosophy. But behind his calm, intelligent face was a burning desire to free the land from corrupt and weak rulers and to create a united, strong Bharat, India. The turning point. One day, Chanakya visited the great city of Patliputra, ruled by King Dhanananda of the Nanda dynasty. The king was arrogant and unjust, squeezing heavy taxes from his people while living in luxury. In the royal court, Chanakya saw injustice being done to common people. He could not stay silent. He spoke boldly, criticizing the king's cruelty. Dhanananda, enraged by his audacity, insulted Chanakya and threw him out of the court. Humiliated but not broken, Chanakya walked out with a vow. He would destroy the Nanda dynasty and place a worthy king on the throne of Magadha. This was the turning point of his life. From that moment, he was no longer just a teacher. He became a strategist, a nation builder. The making of a king. While traveling, Chanakya met a young boy named Chandragupta. The boy was brave, intelligent, and had the spirit of a leader. Chanakya saw in him the future king of Magadha. He took Chandragupta under his guidance and trained him in politics, diplomacy, war tactics, and statecraft. Under Chanakya's mentorship, Chandragupta became a powerful leader. With careful planning, alliances, and clever strategies, Chanakya and Chandragupta raised an army and began defeating the forces of Dhanananda. It was not just a battle of swords, it was a battle of minds. Chanakya used psychological warfare, espionage, and diplomacy to weaken the enemy. Victory and legacy. After years of struggle, Chandragupta and Chanakya finally overthrew Dhanananda. Chandragupta Maurya was crowned the king of Magadha, and thus began the great Maurya Empire, one of the largest and strongest empires in Indian history. Chanakya became the chief advisor to the king. He wrote the Arthashastra, a masterpiece on politics, economics, administration, and warfare. His ideas laid the foundation of good governance and nation building. Chanakya's story is not just about revenge, it is about vision, courage, and strategy. He transformed a divided land into a united empire. His wisdom continues to inspire leaders, students, and thinkers even today.